Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove background from a photo in CapCut. So right here I have a photo which I would like to remove the background of. What you can do basically is there's a tool in CapCut which is pretty accurate in my opinion. If you have more colors in the scene, what you want to do, just go to video and go to remove background and use the auto removal tool. It's gonna be processing for a while, and when it's ready, as you can see, it is pretty accurate in my opinion. What you can do is just to change the feather so the mask is a bit less strong and less obvious. If you put in another background to the photo, it's gonna be less obvious if you use the feather. You can also expand the mask so you can make it a bit more accurate with those. You can also change it with the arrows so it's less sensitive this way. So another way would be the chroma key, which it has a color picker, and it's good if you have one color in the scene because it's removing the background according to the specific color. So for example, if we have a green screen in the background, we can easily remove the background using this tool. Okay, so another thing you can do is just use custom removal, use the smart brush. You don't need to be precise because CapCut is gonna highlight it itself. So it's just gonna be processing for a while, and as you can see, it's pretty accurate. So now we have some parts here which CapCut didn't quite understand that I want to highlight, so we're gonna just show CapCut that we want to highlight this part too. Wait for the results, and it's pretty accurate, and we're gonna do it between the girl's legs. So for example, now I don't want the shoes to be selected because I want to keep the shoes and I don't want to remove them. So we're gonna use the eraser, not the smart eraser, the normal eraser. Change the brush size and just erase this part from the mask. And as you can see, now it's not highlighted anymore. Okay, we also gonna erase it from the hands actually. You can also use the smart eraser, it's more accurate. I just wanted to show you, you can be more precise with the normal eraser. And if you are satisfied with the mask, you're just gonna click apply. And if you're ready, what you can do is basically, you could have just selected the girls, so you can select the one that is easier to select and then just click on this invert or reverse button and it's gonna invert the whole mask. Alright, so this is how to remove background from a photo in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.